In this segment, we'll cover commissioning the variable speed drive on your HydroWHIZ panel. The HydroWHIZ uses the ABB ACS180 drive for all applications under 22 kilowatts. Please note, configuring the VSD requires access to live parts and should only be carried out by a qualified technician. The ACS180 drive includes a built-in interface screen which we use to define the pump parameters for the motor connected to the controller. From the home screen, press the OK button to access the main menu. Now, use the arrow keys to navigate to the bottom option, Parameters, and press OK. Then, navigate to Parameter section 99. Go to 99.06 and press OK, and then enter the published nominal current of the motor in amps and press OK to save. Enter the following parameters for the connected motor. 99.07, the nominal voltage in volts of the connected motor. 99.08, the nominal frequency of the connected motor in hertz. 99.09, the nominal speed of the connected motor in RPM. And 99.10, the nominal power of the connected motor in kilowatts. Repeat this process for each drive in the system. For more detailed instructions on configuring your VSD, please refer to the ACS180 User Interface Guide.